This is the Corsair iCUE 220T RGB tempered glass, our new mid-tower ATX case that gives you a clear look at smart lighting. If this case looks familiar to you, well, you're not wrong. It shares all the same features as our popular 220T case that we released earlier this year, except this one comes with a sleek tempered glass front panel. And that tempered glass front panel is great for showing off the 3 included SP120 RGB PRO fans. Each fan has 8 individually addressable RGB LEDs in the hub. And to control those LEDs, the iCUE 220T RGB tempered glass comes with a lighting node core, which gives you tons of options to customize your lighting. The front I/O panel houses 2 USB 3.1 Type A ports, a 3.5mm combination headphone microphone jack, and your power and reset buttons. To keep your build clean, it comes with removable dust filters in the bottom, top, and front. On the inside of the 220T is room for up to 6 120mm fans, 4 140mm fans, and various sizes of radiators, including up to a 360mm radiator in the front. And there's lots of options for mounting storage, with 2 low-profile 2.5-inch drive brackets and a removable hard drive cage which houses up to 2 3.5-inch or 2 2.5-inch drives. And with all that tempered glass on the side, everyone can see your work. Fortunately, with the built-in PSU cover, you can keep the PSU and cables tucked away for a professional-looking build. The iCUE 220T RGB tempered glass is perfect to showcase all your glorious RGB components. For more information, head on over to Corsair.com.